Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here is Hassan, and as you know guys, in my channel we are presenting business plans, business development, business ideas for some entrepreneurs or for anyone who want to do a business, even if he has a capital or from the house. And also we are supporting the young people especially. So today guys, we have an exciting topic because today we'll speak about the best startup ideas which you can start it from your home. You don't have to have a lot of money in order to start your business today. It's not a must. So what I want from you today to follow with me to check, because today I'll provide you the best startups which you can start it from your bed, from your house, with no money. Are you ready guys? Let's go and let's discover today together what we can do today. So the first idea guys with us today, for anyone who's sitting in the house, especially for the ladies or even for the men who doesn't have a job today and they want to start like a small business which will not cost them even single dollar. What you will do, the first business idea with us today, that you can make a house food delivery. What does it mean? Today, if you are good at cooking, whatever, if you are cooking Egyptian food, British food, any kind of food, if you are good at it, what you will do, what you need exactly, that you will make a group on the WhatsApp and you will start to cook in your house and you will start to deliver to the people inside their work or the people who are staying in the house, other your neighbors, for example. Idea like this. For example, today, if I'm good at cooking, I will cook and I will create a group on the WhatsApp and I will receive orders from the WhatsApp. For example, someone need like a grilled food, someone need a roast food, someone need a steamed, whatever kind of food. You will cook it and you will send it to their house with free delivery. So the second startup idea, guys, that it's pick and drop service. What does it mean? Today, pick and drop service, this idea is solving two things. It's saving time for you and saving money for you. I will tell you why. Pick and drop, it's like the companies who's dealing with Amazon, who's taking the commodities or taking the goods from a place to transfer it another place. What does it mean? Today, if you want to go to buy something from the supermarket, but your problem today that this supermarket can be far from your work or can be far from your house, so it will cost you transportation, it will cost you petrol even if you have a car. So in order to solve this problem, you can create an application. What is this application is about? Or not even application, because sometimes application is costing you a little bit. You can make a WhatsApp group. You can receive the orders of the people which need a lot of things from the supermarket, like vegetables, like everything, okay? You will receive orders from your WhatsApp. You will organize these orders and you will have like one or two or three motorcycles, whatever, or even if you can rent a cars at that day, and you can receive the orders going to the supermarket to bring the orders and to transfer it to their house without costing them effort, without costing them too much money of transportation, and saving for them a lot of time. So this is what's good about pick and drop service. You are serving the people, picking their needs from the supermarket or from anywhere, transfer it to them or to their place as where they are. So the third startup idea, that you can make a fitness blog or a fitness website for yourself. For example, today as you see that a lot of people around the world, they are concerning and they are interested in how to lose weight or how to make sport for cardio, for CrossFit, whatever the kind of your sport. But a lot of people today, they are keening on the sport too much. I want to tell you something for your information. The stocks of the fitness is raised 58% in the stock market. So if today you create one website, it will be very profitable for you. Second thing, today I'm a coach today, for example, in Dubai. But I want to reach to people globally. I want to train people in US. I want to train people in Egypt, wherever. I want to spread as a marketing for myself. So what you will do, you will do a landing page, or you will do a website, or even an Instagram page, and you will start to put a blogging on it. What does it mean? You will start to make courses online, and the people will buy these courses And for example, this app will be for you only, and you will start every day to make like a fitness classes, plus that the people can put the requirements inside the app. You receive it, you will prepare it, and you will send it to them in front of money. That's it. So this will be a very good solution for anyone who's keen on sport. So the fourth startup ideas, guys, and this concerned as the last one with us today, is that you can make models for the students of architecture, or you can make models for engineering companies. Today, I want to tell you something if you are not inside the engineering field. If you are visiting like a real estate developer, or you are visiting an engineering office, if you want to design your house, or if you want to design your company or whatever, you will find a mock-up, or you will find a model. This model, it's like a 3D model. This is what I'm talking about. This you can do it on the house. All of what you need is cater and the materials. So what you will do, you will target the students inside the universities, especially the students of architecture. Okay, you will target them and you will offer to them that you can do for them like a cutting services, like a modeling, because every month they have to hand over one of these models. So we reach at the end of the episode, guys. I hope really it was useful for you, and it's opening your mind for a lot of ideas. Please, guys, if you have any startup ideas, or if you have any even idea and you want to share it, you want me to speak about it, most welcome in my channel. Even if you want me to do a stream with you to speak and to have a big discussion about this, also most welcome. If you want to leave your idea or your email, and we can contact each other, you can leave it in a comment below the video. So I hope it was an interesting topic for you today, and it will be useful for all of you. So please, guys, don't forget to press subscribe, like, and share to grow the channel with each other, because we are one family, we are one community. So I'm your business guide, and most welcome to A.Hassans vlogs.